The boy who painted dreams, Leonardo da Vinci. What if one man could paint like an artist, build machines like an engineer, study the human body like a doctor, and imagine the future hundreds of years before it arrived? What if the same person designed flying machines long before airplanes existed? This is the real story of a curious boy who never stopped asking questions. A boy who looked at birds and dreamed of flying. His name was Leonardo da Vinci, and many people still call him the greatest genius in history. A child born near nature. Leonardo da Vinci was born in Italy in 1452, in a small village near green hills and quiet rivers. Unlike rich children in big cities, Leonardo spent much of his childhood outside. He watched birds fly across the sky. He studied flowing water. He looked carefully at trees, clouds, insects, and light. Nature became his first teacher. While other children played simple games, Leonardo observed everything around him with endless curiosity. He once filled notebooks with drawings of leaves, animals, and strange ideas from his imagination. Even as a child, his mind was different. The boy who could draw anything. Leonardo loved drawing more than anything else. He could spend hours sketching faces, hands, horses, and landscapes. People around him quickly noticed his incredible talent. His father eventually brought him to Florence, one of the greatest artistic cities in Italy. There, Leonardo became an apprentice in a famous workshop. The workshop smelled of paint, wood, metal, and clay. Artists worked day and night creating sculptures, paintings, and decorations for churches and rich families. Young Leonardo learned everything eagerly: painting, sculpting, engineering, architecture. But what truly amazed people was how quickly he improved. More than just an artist. Most artists focused only on painting, but Leonardo wanted to understand everything. When he painted a bird, he studied its wings carefully. When he painted a person, he studied muscles and bones beneath the skin. He believed true art came from understanding life deeply. So while others rested, Leonardo studied endlessly. He opened dead bodies to learn anatomy. He observed storms and rivers. He studied light and shadows. His notebooks became filled with sketches, questions, inventions, and strange ideas. Thousands of pages. Some pages looked like the work of a scientist. Others looked like the dreams of a poet. The dream of flying. One dream fascinated Leonardo more than almost anything else: human flight. For centuries, people looked at birds with wonder. But Leonardo wanted more than wonder. He wanted humans to fly. He spent years studying wings and bird movements. Then he designed flying machines with giant mechanical wings. He imagined helicopters long before helicopters existed. At the time, people could barely understand his ideas. Some thought he was strange. Others thought he was imagining impossible fantasies. But centuries later, many of his designs would inspire real inventions. The woman with the mysterious smile. One day, Leonardo began painting a portrait of a woman. Her expression was soft and mysterious. Her smile seemed alive. Leonardo worked on the painting slowly and carefully for years. That painting later became the most famous painting in the world, the Mona Lisa. Even today, millions of people travel across the world just to see it. People still ask, why is her smile so mysterious? But perhaps the mystery comes from Leonardo himself, because he painted not only faces, but emotions. A man who never finished. Leonardo had one weakness. He became fascinated by too many ideas at once. Sometimes he started projects but never completed them. His mind moved endlessly from one idea to another. Painting, machines, science, music, engineering. It was as if one lifetime was too small for his imagination. Some people criticized him for this, but others understood something important. Leonardo was not simply trying to do one thing well. He was trying to understand the entire world. Working for kings and powerful men. As Leonardo became famous, kings and rulers invited him to work for them. He designed buildings, weapons, bridges, and celebrations. Sometimes he painted beautiful art. Other times he designed machines for war. He moved between cities carrying notebooks full of ideas. People admired his intelligence and creativity. But Leonardo himself remained curious and restless. No matter how much he learned, he always believed there was more to discover. The Secret Notebooks. Leonardo filled notebook after notebook with thoughts and sketches. He often wrote backwards, from right to left. Some people believe he did this to protect his ideas. Inside those notebooks were designs far ahead of his time. Flying machines, diving suits, mechanical devices, bridges, weapons, scientific observations. It was as if he could see the future. Centuries later, scientists and inventors studied his notebooks with amazement. Mind ahead of its time. The world around Leonardo was still old and limited, but his imagination lived in the future. He believed observation was more important than blind belief. He trusted curiosity. He trusted learning. And most importantly, he never stopped asking questions. That endless curiosity made him extraordinary. The final years. In his later years, Leonardo moved to France. The King of France respected him greatly and welcomed him warmly. Leonardo spent his final years thinking, drawing, and organizing his ideas. Though his body grew weaker, his mind remained active. Even near the end of his life, he still dreamed, questioned, and imagined. He died in 1519, but his ideas never died. Why Leonardo still inspires the world. Today, Leonardo da Vinci is remembered not only as a painter, but as a symbol of human curiosity itself. He reminds us that learning should never stop, that creativity and science can live together, and that imagination can carry humanity far beyond its limits. The little boy who watched birds in the sky helped inspire the future of art, science, and invention. Final message. Leonardo da Vinci teaches us something powerful. You do not have to choose between being creative or intelligent. You can be both. You can ask questions. You can dream. You can create. And sometimes, the people who seem different from everyone else are the people who change the world forever. So the next time you look at the sky or draw an idea in a notebook, remember Leonardo da Vinci, because every great invention once began as a simple dream.